Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Sony A7V, a camera that's poised to change the landscape of full-frame mirrorless photography and videography. Whether you're a photographer, a content creator, or a videographer, this powerhouse camera is packed with advanced features designed to meet all your creative needs. From its cutting-edge sensor technology to its revamped autofocus system and enhanced video capabilities, the A7V is creating a buzz, and today we'll break down what makes it a true game-changer. Sony's A7 series has always been synonymous with pushing technological boundaries, and the A7V looks set to take this legacy even further. With numerous leaks and rumors swirling around, it's clear that this model could redefine what we expect from a hybrid camera. Let's take an in-depth look at what we know so far. When it comes to pricing, the Sony A7V is expected to sit within the mid-range segment of Sony's mirrorless lineup, likely between $2,500 and $2,800. While the price may seem high to some, this camera offers impressive upgrades that could make it a dream for hybrid shooters seeking both stellar photos and high-quality video. With these new advancements, the A7V could stand toe-to-toe with some of the most powerful models in the market, including the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 III. For those focusing on video production, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a powerful contender. Leaks suggest that this camera will deliver 8K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K video at an impressive 120 FPS, making it perfect for content creators seeking flexibility and superior video quality. In addition to these resolutions, the A7V is rumored to feature 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, an incredible asset for color grading and post-production work. One of the standout features is the anticipated heat management technology, inherited from the flagship Sony A1. This will allow users to shoot for extended periods without worrying about overheating, which is a major advantage for long shooting sessions or high-end video production. Coupled with enhanced image stabilization and dual-gain ISO, the A7V promises superior low-light performance, ensuring clear and rich footage, even in challenging environments. A key upgrade on the Sony A7V is its new 33MP full-frame stacked sensor. This new sensor will provide faster readouts, higher dynamic range, and better low-light performance, making it a fantastic option for those who demand absolute image quality. With a dynamic range exceeding 15 stops, the A7V is poised to deliver amazing images in any lighting condition, whether it's bright outdoor scenes or darker indoor settings. The new sensor will also help to minimize rolling shutter, a common issue with mirrorless cameras, ensuring smoother video capture and better still image performance, particularly when capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting handheld. The A7V will likely continue the design language of its predecessors, but with some refined elements. Leaked images suggest a slightly deeper grip, providing enhanced comfort during long shooting sessions. It will maintain Sony's compact and lightweight form factor, making it versatile and easy to handle. The camera is also expected to offer improved weather sealing, making it a more durable option for those who need to shoot outdoors in tougher conditions. Additionally, the A7V may feature a redesigned button layout and a larger, more responsive touchscreen LCD display, giving photographers and videographers an intuitive interface to work with. Sony has always been a leader in autofocus performance, and the A7V is set to continue that tradition. Expected to feature advanced AI-powered subject recognition, the A7V should provide precise real-time tracking, even for fast-moving subjects like wildlife or athletes. This will be particularly beneficial for action shots, ensuring the camera locks onto subjects with speed and accuracy. Low-light autofocus is another area where the A7V is likely to excel. With advancements in this technology, astrophotographers and event photographers shooting in dim environments can expect fast and reliable focus performance, even in challenging lighting. Battery life is crucial for professionals, and the Sony A7V is rumored to offer significant improvements in this area. Despite using the same NP-FZ100 battery as its predecessors, the camera will likely be more power efficient, supporting longer shooting sessions. Additionally, it's expected to feature USB power delivery for quicker charging and the ability to power the camera directly from an external power bank, ideal for creators on the go. or those working in remote locations. Connectivity features are expected to be another strong point for the Sony A7V. Leaks suggest it will support dual-band Wi-Fi 6, ensuring faster and more stable wireless file transfers. This will be a game-changer for professionals who need to quickly upload high-resolution images or video to the cloud or share them with clients. Moreover, the camera is expected to offer dual card slots supporting both CF Express Type A and SD, UHS-2 cards, allowing for fast and reliable data write speeds, especially useful when capturing high bitrate video or continuous bursts of high-resolution images. Integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app will also be improved, allowing for seamless remote control and cloud storage integration. Conclusion: the Sony A7V is shaping up to be an exceptional hybrid camera with a suite of groundbreaking features. With its new 33 nmp stacked sensor, advanced autofocus system, 8K video recording, and robust build, it has the potential to redefine what we expect from mid-range mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or an enthusiastic content creator, the A7V promises to elevate your work to the next level. If Sony can deliver on the exciting features we've seen in the leaks, the A7V will not only be a market leader, but set a new standard for hybrid shooters across the globe. While we await confirmation on some of these specs, the anticipation is real, and the future of this camera looks incredibly bright.